On today's body cam we're checking out, she thought she was a menace until the rap hit.
I can't wait for this one. So therefore, yes, you can. No. Okay. You'll never terrorize me.
On February 9th, 2026, officers in Washington responded to a convenience store. A 911 caller reported a woman causing a disturbance and threatening bystanders. Here's what the officers did next.
Yes, but what about her? Oh, that.
I can't wait for this one.
For which one?
Dude, what's going on, man?
So, I don't even know what the problem is.
What do you mean?
That part right there, what the problem is.
There's no problem?
That's what I've been trying to say this whole time.
Are you talking to him inside there?
I've been trying to say something. I've been trying to say, legally, they want to sit there and say because they have a professionally wise.
You have a what?
Yeah, no, it's wild. So I literally want to know what's really going on.
Man, can you just have a seat for me, please? Please?
I guess
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. So, they have a problem with you? Or you don't even know what the deal, what's happening?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Was the lady outside bothering anyone in here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was she doing?
25 minutes here, use bathroom and door, something in counter. In here, abusing wording and hitting counter.
You want a trespasser?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead and trespass her.
After speaking with the store employees, the staff security guard comes with police to formally trespass the woman.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi.
I'm the one that told her that she had to leave because I do security for these guys.
Okay.
So he told me to go ahead and trespass her.
Go for it.
Trespassing, huh?
Yeah, which means you can't come back here, or else you'll be subject to arrest.
Okay.
So you've been trespassing the property.
For how long?
Permanently.
That's what I'm trying to say is, who are you?
I do security for these guys.
But you don't even know who I am.
It doesn't matter. I don't need to know who you are in order to trespass
So
you.
therefore, yes, you can, because I can over here and go get my motherfucking. I'm gonna get my
If you go in there,
drink.
you
Don't
will
go
be
in
arrested.
Ma'am, if you go in, you'll be arrested.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You. You no.
No. Put your hands behind your back for me. Behind.
You're under arrest. Let's step outside.
One thing I must say is, hey, he made sure to glove up beforehand. Now that's a good thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, this got to be in the hood, because the only convenience stores, and there should be more convenience stores like this that have security guards, but typically the only ones that really do is in the hood, you know, and not even the hood, just like the middle of the road, I would say, because the hood, yeah, they should hire security guards. If you're gonna be a grocery store that stay open all night, like overnight and stuff like that, or even late at night, you should hire security guards. Now, I don't know if you necessarily need one during the day, you know, this is kind of whatever, but if you're having these type of problems where you got people just hanging out outside and all that stuff, you know, I guess it would be nice to have a security guard there, but all they're going to do is call the cops. So that's about it. Observe and report. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? I know before I became a CO, I was a security guard. So you observe and you report. That's about it, man. You not doing nothing else than that.
Here we go.
Ma'am, don't fight.
Absolutely
Okay.
no. No. So why
over.
are you doing this?
There you go.
Absolutely not. So you think? Absolutely
It helps
not.
to get the sleeve up.
No. And when you get reported, I can't wait. I cannot wait for this one.
Turn it over.
I can't wait.
How do we end up like that?
No, I cannot
fix
wait
it.
for you to get reported.
Hey, you're being audio and video recorded.
Of course. Yeah, so I want to be known. I know the color Beretta, right? I
Her cuffs are jacked up though.
Rights.
You're gonna get
So
rid of.
therefore,
Relax.
I'm relaxed on everything. I never have rights. Not for me. So you physically cannot have anything to take to me.
Ma'am, relax.
You absolutely yes. I cannot wait. You never Miranderize me, you ass. You never Miranderize me. Okay. You never Miranderize me.
Stand up.
You
My man, the rise. What she said?
Miranderize me.
Turn around.
You never Miranderize me.
Ma'am, turn over so you can.
You never Miranderize me.
Come on.
You never Miranderize me. You never Miranderize me.
Stop, or else you're gonna get the rap.
You never Miranderize me. You dumbass mother. You stupid ass.
Hey, would you like the Miranda rap, my sir?
Yeah, Miranderize me, you stupid.
Index. Okay, ma'am, you have the right to remain silent.
Of course, thank God, someone who's actually for no.
Anything you say can be used against you
Thank you.
in a court of law.
Of course.
You have the right to.
Of course, I have the right to remain silent.
Don't kick. Don't kick.
No, no. So now you're Mirandarizing me, you stupid ass motherfucker. No. What happens when he sexually assaults me?
Well, everything's being audio and video recorded.
You have the right
What
to
happens
talk
when
to a
he
lawyer
sexually assaults me?
and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer or won't be upon to represent you before questioning if you wish, you
No!
can decide at any time to answer these questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Get him off of me right now.
Well, you
If
just
you
kicked
stop-
me.
Get him off of me!
Because you're kicking.
I'm not doing it right now.
Well, you were.
Get him off of me!
Not gonna happen.
Oh, so you like this?
Not at all.
Nope.
Because Jordan continues to kick and fight, officers deploy a wrap restraint.
Gotta love the
Your
rap.
head, okay? She was a little kicky.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to just stop and stand up? Do you have to put this whole thing on you?
You just want to stop kicking, stop fighting so we don't put you in that thing? Can you do that?
Yeah, and you.
While securing the suspect, officers take a statement from the store security guard.
So can you tell me what happened then?
So basically, what happened was she was standing at the counter yelling at the clerk.
Okay.
She wanted to use the bathroom. They kept telling her, no, she can't. It's not a public restroom. She started screaming and disrespecting them and yelling at them.
And everyone knows I'm not his person.
Well, we can put this on before we roll her.
Guys, I wish I would have done it. You think that I'm the one?
I ain't gonna lie, business must be booming at this grocery store or at this corner store, man. They could afford a security guard, pay him a little $15-20 an hour or something. Hey,
Person in the world that's waiting to live violent like someone is worse than me. No, I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
She started walking to the back room because she was fixing to go back there to use the bathroom. But they told her it's not a public restroom. She kept yelling at them and yelling at even through the door.
Do it, and when all you can do, when everyone gets
Check pocket before we get her totally.
no, when everyone gets rude, I cannot wait for this one. First of all,
You want to set her up or you want to try to put the harness on
you're going to get sued. You will get sued for everything.
this is unbelievable that people would rather be put in a rap than to just stand up, go into the car, go, and go about your business, because this has to be uncomfortable. Now, I get it. She's not in the right frame of mind or whatever. I mean, or maybe she is. Maybe she is not under the influence of anything, and this is her right frame of mind. That could be a possibility. But I think she's, something else is going on here. But still, you should much rather want to be, you're already caught, you're already going to jail. It is what it is. Why make things more difficult? Handcuffs as it is already uncomfortable. They're not comfortable. So combining that with a helmet and wrap restraints and everything, boy, who the hell want to be wrapped up like a burrito like this, man?
That is going on right now. That's when you get through. When you get through. I cannot wait.
She actually went behind the cash register area. That's when I revealed myself as security and that she had to leave. And then the sergeant asked if we wanted her trespassed, and I talked about it with my bosses. They said, yeah.
Now let's roll her and sit her up.
And when they get sued for everything, finally someone will be able to actually show them that this is not okay.
Who's those call? Where's this car? So go around the other side.
So if I die in your custody, it's gonna be because of you. I have the right to remain silent, but yet I do not have the right to be contained in this backseat of this car. You think that you are doing something? I have the right to be able to speak. So if that is the case, I cannot wait.
There we go. We can let them know when we pull in.
To be here. So when everyone says that this is not your opportunity,
Hi, one female.
I want you
She's
to
in the
have
rap.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Exactly, because you never Mirandaized me. That you can sit there and you can play all you want. You'll never Mirandaized me, you ass.
Jordan? All right, come on, let's go in.
Everything to do with your establishment. You didn't know that when you were arresting me. You never
Trespass. I think it is.
No. You think that I'm gonna blow on something?
Jordan refuses the breathalyzer test.
No.
Jordan, you said...
I said no.
Hey, but what I would like to do is pull you out of this.
Well, what I would like to be over here, be out here, and be back to my motherfucking house. No, you're not gonna blow anything or nothing like that, so I'm gonna sit here.
Well, I'd like to pull you out of this, and I don't want to put you in a restraint chair, but if you're resistant, I'm going to, okay?
Okay, well, clearly you see where I'm at.
Yeah, well, we're going to pull you out of this, but...
Okay, well then clearly you guys see that. I said no.
Okay, we're not going to, because you said no.
Stop fighting. You cannot. There's no fighting. No one is fighting you. There's no strength. Okay, first of all, you really go me the fuck off. No, because I'm really about to cut him out because he does not have the actual strength. I'm about to whip him on the ass.
Okay, just turn around.
No, because everyone knows. No, what you're not gonna do, I heard it. You're not gonna do it. I heard it. No, because you do not understand where I hurt. No, it's illegal because they still have not arrested right here.
After the arrest, Jordan was initially charged with criminal trespass, a gross misdemeanor in Washington, along with misdemeanor charges of resisting arrest and urinating in public. She was booked at the county jail, and a total bail amount of $2,000 was issued for all charges.
ShyGotEm.